If you'd like to see how I'm going to add some glitter and embellishments to this bottle of silver Patron and transform it into this lovely embellished bottle, keep watching this video. Hey YouTube, so today in this video I'm going to be embellishing this Patron silver bottle. This is a 375 milliliter bottle, and with this bottle they said that I could do what I wanted to do with it, which I really love. When I have that option. This is going to be a birthday gift for someone, one of my customers. So she gave me two bottles to do. This one she said I could do what I want to do with it. So it's going to be between purple and silver. I decided to go ahead and go with like a hologram chunky glitter silver. So I'm just going to go ahead and I'm using Mod Podge glue, the gloss Mod Podge glue. And I've already put some in this little lid here, and I'll be using a sponge brush. And I'm going to go ahead. So I'm going to just start around the label of the front of this bottle and just add on the glue as nice and evenly as I can. You can feel free to mask off the label if that's what you like to do. I just try to hold my hand nice and steady and just go around. And then you just add a nice decent amount of glue to the bottle before you apply the glitter. And also, before I did this, I did wipe this bottle off with some alcohol just to make sure it was clean and dust free. Now I'm adding the Recollections chunky glitter, and it's a holographic silver glitter. And I really like to use this glitter because it has a very nice full coverage. It's very, very sparkly, as you can see, and I don't have to use 2 coats of it. It's very, very full. Now if you're using a thinner or finer glitter, sometimes you will have to go over it with at least 2 coats just to be on the safe side. Now I do always try to keep an old makeup brush or a nice fluffy brush to dust away any excess glitter that's not going to stay. It just kind of helps me with the process. So I'm just going to continue on to add on the Mod Podge to this bottle and fill it up with glitter. Just make sure that when you're shaking the glitter on, that it's covering all the glue. You don't want to just leave any of the glue exposed. Cover all areas of the bottle that you have the glue on. Okay, so this is the first coat. This is the first coat of glitter. I'm going to go ahead and let this dry, and then I'll see if I need to add a second coat, because this chunky glitter tends to have a very, very full coverage, so I may not need a second coat. So I'll be back once this dries, and then we can go ahead and seal it. I'm going to be sealing this glitter with a product called Tri-Art Liquid Glass. I'm just going to pour it right on and use this brush and just kind of brush it on, because it's kind of runny and it works best for me that way. So that's what I'm going to do. Now I usually only do about 1 coat of this liquid glass. If you're experiencing some fall off from the glitter even after 1 coat, you can just go ahead and put a second coat on, or if you're using Mod Podge, use a second coat, just to make sure that there's not glitter just flying off the bottle everywhere. I'm going to be adding just a few 4mm rhinestones just to kind of go around it and trim it. It may or may not show up, but I just like to do that sometimes, going to be using some E6000 glue. And again, here I am just adding a few 4mm rhinestones just to trim the label. I got a little bit of glue up in this part, so it was just looking kind of white. I didn't know if it was going to dry clear or not. There's actually a little bit right here. I don't know if you can see it or not. It's a little white underneath this, but I don't want to compromise this label. So what I'm going to do, just to cover that up, because I don't want to have the glitter on there, because once the glitter is on there and then you cut this label, I don't want for this to get open and then this kind of starts to pull up like a ripple effect. I hope you understand what I'm trying to say. But I have this little rhinestone ribbon that I got off Amazon. I feel like I could just put a piece around here and just avoid all that, you know, that stuff. So I'm just going to measure this out. And I think that'd be really cute. And I'm going to put that on the neck. Okay, you guys, here is the final finished result of this bottle. Super cute, very, very sparkly. And again, this is a great last minute gift. My customer purchased this for her best friend or her sister, and she thought this was very, very lovely. Only thing, I just wish the label stood out a little bit more. You see how it's so transparent? As I get closer, you can see that it says Patron Silver. But anyway, it's super cute. Give this video a thumbs up if you did find it helpful. Share it on Facebook. And thanks you guys so much for watching. And you can follow me on Instagram if you'd like to at Life is a Whole Vibe. I'm also on TikTok as well at Life is a Whole Vibe. Thanks again for watching, you guys. Bye-bye. Be sure to check out our website, myroyalradiance.com, where we sell lip gloss, hand sanitizers, shoe charms, and much more. Use my coupon code ROYALBEAUTY10 off for a special discount for my subscribers. Be sure to check out our website, crtechnicaldefense.com, where we sell in-waistband gun holsters available in 4 different sizes. We also carry gun cleaning mats and much more. Use my special discount code VIBES, V-I-B-E-S, for my subscribers. Be sure to check out my other playlists. If you did enjoy this video, I have a whole playlist dedicated to embellishing bottles. Thanks again. Bye-bye.